systems go. Dave's on holiday. Ali's not well. Don't want to say what he's got. He's not well at all, but it's not life-threatening, bless. He's still doing a bit of work from home, but it's very difficult, so it's just me and Lee, mechanic Lee. Been doing a bit of running around, going to place having all chrome done, etc. So it's like on my own, it's just like me and Lee, but everybody's behind a telephone sounding like Dave, on a mobile, loads of texts with Alice, so Ali's still communicating, bless his heart, doing FaceTiming, going through what we've got to do. Lee's been amazing, Lee's been helping me a lot. So tomorrow morning, this is so I'll get this one pop and shine, get it all washed. I've just got it in here because it's a little bit icy again outside. So I'll do it all inside, get it all done. Got a Tesla going out tomorrow morning. That's going on transport, I'll get that one popping and shining. So we've done 19. That's going out tomorrow. That'll be 20, 21, so we'll have 21 on board for January. Come on lads, we can do this. Very stressful, but got to keep on going. So I've been doing a lot of re-cleans. We have got a few more cars what actually has come in, but I've not unfortunately had them to touch them just yet. I'm doing the best I can. Keep on smiling. You know. Right. Can't wait till the rest of the team's back. But I tell you, Lee's been a big help. Mechanic. I know Dave would be right proud. Still communicating, Ali is still, but can't wait till we got team back. You got to do what you got to do, and that's it really. So any comments? Comment below. Pop and shine. Phone's going again, is this Ali? Texting. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh. Keep on going. Yes, thank you for confirming me. You can have a love for that one. Ali, you're welcome. Right. Well. Great work, Lee. Yes, well, we're all communicating. This is teamwork, this is teamwork. This is it, this is teamwork. Alright, you're doing something. Why is it cut off? Why is it cut off? You like tricks? Have a Tesla this, it'd be fun this, I'm putting the heater up and it keeps on going down for some reasons. This is... I don't understand them. I don't understand these electrics. See, I put all heaters on, it's doing what it's got to do, and then it's just like... cuts off. You have to be in the car. No, you can't. It just cuts off, so I'm putting it like... I put it on high for heated windscreen, and then for third time, it goes to 22. But no heating, and then I've got to do it again. I just don't understand why you just have a fan or a button and do it instead of going through this motion. I don't know, I ain't got a clue. It's all inside, all moisture inside. Well, I ain't got all day for this, I've got things to do here. That's the ticket, come on, into. We've got another BMW dropped off here, so I'll bag it and take it that one as well. And then get on with the rest of what I've got to do. Apart from that, all good. Man at show today, look. Man at show. Oh, just can't keep up, I tell you, you're trying. Aye. Get in there. Let's give this a quick wipe over and whatever. Get in there, just keep on going. Fuller. Got a lot of motion, lot of motion inside me. Come on, come on. Gotta keep on going. So I'm gonna keep on repeating myself, I'm out of breath and whatever. Got loads to do, and when you people down, you gotta do what you gotta do to make things happen. So. This is a bit of pop and shine. It's like a pre-wash, gives it a nice finish, quick drying. So we've washed it, we've just get some of this to get some nice shine, and then we'll detail it. So today it's all about doing some old re-cleans, getting in front, cars what's going out. And then do a full valet. So some cars are alright and some cars I just can't get to yet. So it's all systems still keep on going. And these Thundercats, these valeting detailers, get off your ass and graft, because I'll put you all to shame. You know, this old timer here. Don't know what work is. You know, I blast this like this. Is it nice? It's just when I put a dry it will just come off easily. Then we'll just detail spray it, but yeah. Full system go. So I've done with that now. I just said I'm trying to go through my phone to delete things because my memory's like full, and every time I do a video, it's cutting out. I've not deleted it enough. I'm not. It's like let's get another one in. He says. Small dog here, but not dog, like dog biscuit sort of thing. I thought I'm big thing coat, innit? An open centre, it's just full of fucking dog biscuits.
Can't get into them, have you?
Who's a good girl? Woof woof.